Microphone is on. Yeah. It's good. I don't know how much time we have, but I kind of feel like FOMO in. I actually wanted this to actually pull back a little bit before this actually started. I think down here, a pullback before the move towards the upside. Into these moving averages down here, around 57, something like Cardano. I haven't checked everything else, but you know, we can do a quick move, you know, look at what's happening with other coins. Chili's, yeah, Chili's pumping like crazy, but we don't want something overextended. Ooh, this looks not so good. 1 hourly is just about to break though, but it is lower than, you know, Cardano and stuff like that. Sand is lower than Cardano. I think this is gonna go towards upside over here. It looks good. Let's see up here how much downside is on this. So I think here 66%. We are looking on very small time frames though, but it is you know, I have done this move up here, so I'm thinking this is gonna go towards upside soon. And Cardano, I would like to get Cardano down there. There is no pullback, so you know, buying right now, you're buying the resistance, right? It might be also you know, consolidation, you know, pattern before another move towards downside, so might be at resistance right now. But this kind of bullish over here above the moving averages. The same thing Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is already going towards upside, 47%. Sand right now looking like it wants to break towards upside. Shiba already climbing up a little bit up there. 5-minute time frame. I think everything wants to go. It's a little bit high. This actually looks quite nice. Everything is at resistance. That's the problem. Like over here, this is actually breaking the resistance right now. So I put limit on EOS. EOS, come on, man. AVX 4 hours. Matic. Let's go to 30 minutes time frames up here. Did break. There's a lot of these divergences up here on 1 hourly chart. You can see here it goes towards downside, this goes towards upside. Right now no divergence up here. There was slight divergence up here, I think, on some coins, but right now pulling back a little bit up here. Maybe Matic down here and back about on the 20 MA. Really zoomed in right now though. I don't think there is no extensions down there. Consolidation pattern. There we go, there we have a pullback, nice. I think around this moving average, I think it wants to touch the moving average before it does something new. So that would be nice. Ethereum as well. Ethereum did not actually break towards upside. So if Cardano gets down to the entry point, we might just take the long position up here somewhere. Right now it's doing this move towards downside. How much time do we have left? 0.2%. All the way down is like 0.8, that's 8%. I couldn't help myself. 10x long on ETH and 5x long on tight stop. Benfire. That's kind of FOMO. That's kind of FOMO. Let's see 1 minute time frame up here. %4 down. I think it already did that. Let's just do it. It's above there. Okay, it's good. Looks good. Wow. I can't. I post lines in the group on sold short. Oh man, I don't think there will be a trade today because this thing is not working, man. I think I have a problem with my C hard drive. It's full, so you know it does not want to load. So I need to clean stuff. Give me a second, guys. Why is my hard drive always full, man? I need to do... let's go to see. What can I remove? It's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Oh my god. Right. I think it's a problem with hard drive. Let's close this and then trade TA chart. No, it does not want to load. Guys, my chart does not want to load. Bybit chart does not want to load. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign that, you know, we should not be trading. Just a second. That's like a gigabyte, half a gigabyte of space. Bybit. Nah, but maybe, just maybe, wow, now everything stopped up. Okay, I got go 200x. I have a plan, guys. I have a plan, guys. I have a plan. We're gonna do it from mobile. We're gonna trade from mobile, guys. We're gonna trade from mobile. Mobile Bybit gotta work, right? I got Bybit on mobile, so we will trade on the mobile, guys. We'll trade on the mobile. Update now. Don't wanna update now. Trade derivatives. Assets. ADA. USDT. There we go. Market quantity. Ten x isolate. Okay. So everything is ready for a long or a short, right? Everything is ready. Let's see here, Cardano again. So I gotta do it from the mobile. I gotta do it from the mobile. I'll show you on the mobile, you know, that I'm in position and everything like that, right? We wanna do this, you know, live every single time. But let's see up here. I post lines in the group. Check it out. These are M21 photo lines. Solana rising wedge with a resistance. You want to short that? Nice, maybe. It is bearish pennant. It could be bearish pennant on the charts. This over here could be bearish pennant, like for on Cardano, right? Right now towards downside, you know, more downside to go. But daily time frame, 4 hourly. Did kind of get above these levels. Five minute chart on Bitcoin. Five-minute chart on Bitcoin. There maybe some. It looks okay-ish. There we go. Cardano wants to hit these levels. I think I want to do it, you know, down here between 53 and what's that? 53.79, 53.77. And we're gonna see. We're gonna actually just buy just in the middle of this thing over here. Is this a double top, guys, or double bottom? What you guys think? Look here, double top or double bottom? What's this? Is this double bottom or double top? Go 200x. I wish there was a way to go 200x. Chili's. Yeah, Chili's is pumping. Chili's is crazy. Mladen is happy. Chili's is exploding. Look at that move, man. Look at the move on Chili's, man. since it hit the bottom down here at 1, it's above 100% right now. Posting news for Chili's. Breaking. Saudi and Chile secures Italian regulatory agreement. Ooh, that's bullish. Chilis are doing all the good stuff, all the good stuff. There we go. That's as close as we can get on that move. Let's see 1 hourly. Broke through a lot of stuff. Shall we go long here, right up here? I want the late adopter XRP, please. Me too, man, me too. Calling for XRP to break out the next few days, bro. What do you think? Your TS just a big move as well. I think everything's gonna go up, you know, but that's just me. We just had a video saying I'm not wrong yet. Oh, this is just dropping down. Good thing we did not go long just yet. But this isn't quite over yet. Maybe a little bit lower down there. Bullish coffee. 5 minutes. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Buying red candles is hard, guys. And we're gonna buy exactly in the middle of this thing over here, guys. We're gonna buy exactly in the middle of this thing. I'm gonna do that adopter, sorry. Nah, don't be sorry, man. So this looks like it got rejected. So it went up here. There, failed rejection, up there, rejection again. Just getting rejected. Shiba pulling back, ape. AVAX, Matic. Matic did also a nice move towards downside. Matic actually did a very bullish move on 1 hourly. Let's see 4 hourly move from. 4 hourly is below the moving average. Sorry, below 200 moving average. $30 minutes. I mean, let's just do it. Let's just buy. Whatever. It's Cardano 100%. 1 minute time frame. It's in the triangle, and it's you know getting ready. I think it's open long position, confirm. There we go. 10x isolated long, entry 5386. 5386. Entry long 5386. Okay, whatever. So we could have bought down there, but we did not do that. We bought up there. So, you know, there's reasons for that because, you know, pulling the trigger is hard. So, you know, go on because this will be the last time at 23. Hafi, how you man doing? Do not long, bro. Gabriel is in the chat with the FUD again. But just show you the position. I don't know if you can see this. Let's make the big screen. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the position. The reason we are not doing this on over here is because it doesn't want to load. The screen doesn't want to load, so you know Bybit doesn't want to load. So there's that. Is that a nude pic? Funny guy, funny guy. Okay, so we are happy so far. Not yet, but you know, it bounced, you know, right now below sport. Minus 0.18 down, so we're gonna see that. "30 minutes closing in 5 minutes, 5 minutes closing in 5 minutes, in 1 minute, 13 seconds, 12, 11, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, let's take 5 minute break, guys, while this, wait. Let's take 5 minutes. Is that about? I think everything is about to explode, guys. I think everything is about to explode. %2 down, guys. 2% down. Ten minutes close below the moving averages, failing to break back up again. 13 minutes, 1 minute left. Not the time, guys, not the time. 52 seconds left. It's above the moving averages, it's okay. We are supposed to buy here at 75 and then we bought up at 86. So, you know, 25 seconds left. 1 hourly chart, 1 minute chart. No difference on 1 minute chart. I bought at 75. I'm in break to change the short position. There we go. We closed above most of the moving edge, but still up there. 30 minutes closed above 10-20 moving average. 1 hour is still doing okay-ish. 30-minute chart over here managed to close below the moving averages. No divergence on the chart. This might have a third move down. White 1, 2, and 3, and then go towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Minutes left. Can you imagine 20 years ago all these brokers in New York live shouting buy buy sell sell? Man, I will get a heart attack. Yeah, that was the floor, the trading floor. That was insane times. I watched a documentary about that. I don't know how they did it, but you know. No difference. I think we're gonna exit the position, guys. Nah, it's just starting going down again below. Okay, exiting position closed by 100% market. $15-minute chart EOS. Maybe wait 2 minutes left. 2.5 minutes left. Confirm close. There we go. We closed the position, guys. It just didn't go the way I actually expected it to go. Bought at the wrong time. So right now are 1263. Let's update this up here a little bit. $12.63. 2A short on chilies and leave it. On the flip side, 4 hourly. We're going to trade number, just wait. Just going back to 18K, 19K. Remember my words. I'll remember your words. Yeah, man. Maybe it's gonna do that. The daily is below down there. 4 hourly, 1 hourly. 25 minutes left on this thing over here. Bitcoin getting rejected by that. It's fine. Maybe if it comes back down there again. Better wait for Bitcoin to fall back to 18, 19, then swing trade back up. The trend now is to the downside. Maybe Pump will wait for a new moon at 27. maybe. I can't analyze EOS. I don't want to look at that coin, man. Mixed feelings on daily Bitcoin chart. Make the cross. VNet, I do, man. Ja? Ja, vad tänker du? Ja, vad tänker du? Vad då? I'm new to crypto. Is EOS a bad coin? We on this channel feel EOS is a bad coin, yeah. But you know, we might be wrong, but we feel it's bad coin. At least I feel it's a bad coin, you know, there's that. Okay. So you're just gonna continue following ERA and see what it's doing. So maybe we're gonna buy down here at 55 or something like 52. 8 EOS coming. Can still pump 100x. EOS? No way. There's no way EOS can do 100x. Okay, let's buy at whatever that's 57. Okay, open long position, confirm. Okay, new long position on Cardano again. Did not buy down there, bought up here somewhere, I think. Entry 61. Long 53, 61. There we go. Up 31 in short. Yep. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Nice to see you in this haircut, man. Thanks! It's good. It's easy to maintain. I'm the worst trader ever, guys. Do not follow my trades. I'm the worst trader. Literally the worst trader ever. Goes a little bit too steep, too fast down the 5-minute chart, so I think it might just hold the support. Although he picks himself up. Bigs, what does that mean? Picks himself up enough. You leverage are high, try 5x, it will be great. Yeah, I was thinking maybe doing something like 3x or something like that, but I'm gonna get to a million with 3x. I don't know if you're gonna get to, you know, a million with 3x. You know, I think we need to do 10x 100% every single time. So Sheldon, yeah, Sheldon has a problem with too much hype. He made it seem that it's gonna be, you know, way too easy, and right now he's suffering from too much. You know, people expect too much from him. I gotta put the baby to sleep, but I will be on my phone watching the chart, and if it falls down, if something bad happens and this falls through the floor, I will close my position, right? I will close my position. Okay, I gotta... see here. Once you start looking at the, you know, the 5-minute charts, you know, you kind of go on, man. 1-minute charts. At least we're in profit so far. %1 up, that's good. While we are waiting, 1263. While we are waiting, we can update the chart or the spreadsheet. What's today's 18th, 8/22. Trade 37, ADA long, started at 13.13, ended at 12.63, lost 3%, almost 4% down. Almost 4% down, imagine that. I mean, we have been just, you know, in the start we are having so much fun because we are just winning, right? And then after that, like, we had just had like destruction of the account, 50% down after, you know, 50 million trades. Insane. Do you understand the funding rates? Yeah, I do. If there are more people long, then shorts are getting paid. If there are more people short, then there are, you know, long getting paid. But you have to understand that, you know, I don't know. So we are up right now 92%, 0.9%. Not about funding rates. There is nothing really exciting about funding rates. Like, you know, if more people are long, then the shorts are getting paid, and if more people are short, then the longs are getting paid. You know, look at losses; they are all long or mostly longs. I don't care what other people do, man. I don't care. I don't base my trades on funding rates. I don't base my trades on what, you know, majority of people do. I don't base my trades on anything anybody said. I don't base my trades on if DXY go up. I don't base my trades if S&P is hitting resistance and supports. I don't base my trades if order books are showing, you know, buy levels. I don't base my trades on that. Yeah, I mean, our first entry position that was should have been up there, up 75 up here. It did not hold, but we got in at 86, something like that. So we closed that trade. We opened a new trade down here. So right now we got a better entry than last time. Close the trade now. What do you mean close the trade now? What kind of trader would I be if I close the trade in profit? What kind of trader would I be if I close the trade in profit? By the way, guys, winning 5% up. I don't know if you can see this. Wait. Oh, bad camera. Good move. Up 5.75%. Should be close to resistance, guys. Nah. Yeah, upper limit of the triangle. Well, we opened at the bottom limit, so right now we are waiting for this to go up, right? I think we'll pump. Share screenshot. Oh yeah, that's good thing. But how do I share the screenshot? Because I'm trying to open Bybit on PC, but because I'm lacking, you know, the there is no you know, free space on C disk. There we go. Small breakout. Is this a breakout, guys? It's gonna hit this 50 moving average though. 50 moving average is important resist, but this on one. Yeah, maybe it's gonna break it. 11 minutes left up here. We're gonna see Bitcoin also pump. Yeah, Bitcoin also pump. I don't know if it's pump or not, but you know, it is doing something. It needs to get above this level. We want a higher high, right? We want a higher high in next 10 minutes. That'd be nice. Let's watch 1 minute chart. 1 minute charts are so nice. A green trade. Yeah, actually a green trade. $7 up. Are we gonna close the trade? 7%. Nah, we have good entry, so we're gonna hope that this, you know, this triangle is gonna go to the moon. Oh, by the way, I forgot to make the screen smaller. There we go. Wow, you good, man. So far, so good. Nah, it did not break out. It faked out. It faked out at the top. But, you know, we hit 1, 2, 3 times down, 1, 2, 3 times up, you know, I don't know. It just consolidating inside this triangle up here. 5, 10, 15 minutes triangle, 30 minutes triangle, 1 hourly triangle. You know, it just consolidated. But it's good, it's good. It came up here right now, 10 minutes left up here. Went all the way down. Let me remove these lines over here. See here, we went down with the wick. Right now close. If we close here in 10 minutes, I think after 10 minutes, this is gonna go a little bit more down and then blast towards. Unless this, you know, closes red in the next 10 minutes, I think we're good. I think we're good if this doesn't close in red in 10 minutes. So, you know, right now pullback, it's fine as well. No problem whatsoever. You know, we gotta wait a little bit. I hope that your health is okay. Losing weight, losing hair. I wish you well for the next 500 years. I don't wish me well for the next 500. I wish me well for the next 40 years, but I do not wanna, you know, I do not wanna live longer than my kids. 500 years is too long, man. Bitcoin is going back into rising wedge pattern. Give it time. Hit like for the support. Yeah, guys, hit like for the support. So a lot is gonna be decided in the next 10 minutes or something like that. Fast up, fast down. I don't know what's happening, guys. This is like up, down, up, down. Meant to type 50 years, but 1 0 too many. The 4 hourly is not closing in 3 hours, so you know 4 hourly is way off. But 1 hourly is you know, might be interesting. Maybe we should just look at a 1 hourly time frame up here. Hair looking good. Thanks. Finally, you know, hair comments. Bitcoin is very naughty and a bit bipolar. The country average lifespan is above 8 years. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Bitcoin is a little bit unsure what it wants to do. Bitcoin is I don't know what I want to do. 7 minutes left. Gonna be interesting to see where we close. We still have lower lows up here. You know, this was higher high, this was higher high, but right now, and this is higher low. But you know, I don't know. It looks interesting. It looks interesting. Where is Cardano over here? But this is, you know, bearish engulfing and then bullish engulfing above the moving averages right now. Pull back down here. You see here, 6 minutes left. We're gonna wait. We have okay entry right now. Previously it wasn't okay entry. Right now it's okay entry. So you know we have room for failure. He always looks good. There we go. See a little bit up, a little bit down. Fake out, fake out, fake out, up, down, up, down. Something is up, guys. Something is up. I don't know what's up. Something is up. The volume, let's go volume to small time frames up here, has been, you know, crashing towards downside right now. Something is gonna happen, guys. It's gonna break out towards the upside downside. You can see the volume down here. Consolidation have a losing volume. This is a consolidation pattern. Beautiful consolidation pattern. We're expecting move towards upside. But the question is whether it's going to break towards the upside. I'm expecting move towards the upside. 1 hourly candle is going to be very important, I think. This is actually very bearish. If it, you know what, guys, I think this actually might, if you get a doji up here at the top, this actually might be very bearish. On the other hand, if it breaks towards upside, this is actually very bullish. But this pattern over here is a evening star doji pattern. If you get a doji up here, this is an evening star doji, and then you have to expect that this is gonna happen, right? So 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's what we are expecting. 1, 2, 3. You remember we talked about this, you know, that's 1, 2, 3, but you know, this doesn't count. So, you know, 1, 2, 3, and then goes up, right? 1, 2, 3, and then it goes above this level up here. And we get a higher high, at least above this over here. And then above this one. Do we have a higher high up here? We already have a higher high. So 1, 2, 3 times. This is a fourth higher high on the 1 hour. See, but this is creating this damn doji up here, like 4 minutes left, and it's gonna create a doji. And if it creates a doji, it's like bad omen. Dojis are bad. Dojis are like voodoo. Bro, you're just along the bottom of bear flag. It's going hard, down hard when the breaks. Gabriel, the FUD, man. The FUD. What you want me to do? What you want me to do? You want me to close the trade? Another leg down is coming. Bears, man. Bears all over the place. There are so many bears. How can you guys think that we are gonna go down when everybody thinks we're gonna go down? How you guys can think that we are gonna go down if you think like everybody else? How can you think we're going down if you get scared every time price thinks it's gonna go down? Do not, you know, care about what people think. Do not care about what other people say. Do not care, you know, you do you. You do your analysis, you believe in yourself, and when everybody says down, you say up. And when everybody says up, you say down. Guys, do you remember that that Captain America stuff? I'm gonna show you. Captain America tree move, something like that. Image. This image, oh, this is legendary, guys. We gotta read this. Doesn't matter what the press says. Doesn't matter what the politicians or the mob say. Doesn't matter if the whole country decided something wrong is something right. This nation was founded on one principle above all else. The requirement that we stand up for what we believe no matter the odds or the consequences. When the mob and the press and the whole world tell you to move, your job is to plant yourself like a tree beside the river of truth and tell the whole world, no, you move. Copy image, Twitter, post it, tell them bears to move. Follow hope hit 5490 for TP. 5490, that's pretty high up. Maybe. Best card in history was Japanese Hokuto no Ken. I'm not really into that. I think the best cartoon in history is Calvin and Hobbes. This is the best cartoon in history. This may got me through my childhood, man. If you haven't read Calvin and Hobbes, this is legendary, man. This is so good, so childish, so you know, I like it. I like it. I'm very simple guy. I think there was a Luciferian song for that. The physique like Captain America. The 1 hourly close, 1 minute left. Looks good so far. Are we getting a higher high up here? Hitting the resistance right now. 7 seconds left. Let's zoom in really nicely up here. 4 seconds left. Are we gonna break? Oh yes, baby! Higher high, higher high. Higher high on the on the hourly time frame. Did you see that, guys? Higher high on the hourly time frame. Pump bang. Bitcoin pump-oo. Bitcoin pump-oo, guys. Bitcoin pump-oo. There we go. Out of the stuff up here. It's still going to get a higher high up here, but you know, that's for the next candle to do. Hitting this resistance up here at the top right now, but you know, it made the move. It made the move. Also closed above the 50 MA up here, technically below, but you know, it opened above it. So right now we can, you know, we're doing good. We're doing good so far. In long-term bullish from 2016. Just in the moment I see 14k in the charts for since 2016. Just my buyers. I'm bullish since 2017. You know, when I found out Bitcoin. It was going down, but I've been bullish, you know, since 2017. So the question is, are we gonna... Let's put it doesn't matter how you put this chart in, you know, these lines. Everything is broken technically on 5-minute chart, so you know, it's all good. No, without a wick on the top, which is actually quite good. How much are we up right now? 8.3%, guys. 8.3. It's like legendary trade. Now it's just a waiting game, though. Movie bitch girl. How many kids do you have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Eurozone inflation reaches 8.9%, the highest been in 25 years. So this is not that bad. I mean, 25 years. Inflation has been higher before, so you know, there's no problem. When was inflation high, actually? Eurozone historical inflation. Images. Just show me the charts, man. 25 years. Yeah, so up here in 2008 we had high inflation and deflation and inflation and deflation and inflation and deflation, and right now we are having extreme inflation. US inflation in United States 1946, 20%. So you guys are scared about this little pump up here. Oh man, 20%. Post World War II, removal of price controls, supply constraints, and pent up demand. You can fly highest in 33 years. Yeah, but you know, still. Okay, guys, I gotta go. I'm just gonna follow the chart. You can follow the chart for me up here. If it goes down at our entry point down here, we're gonna close the trade. I'm gonna close the trade from my phone, and I'll see you in a little bit, okay? This is a long 5-minute break. Up only. The center plane is bullish. Hi, Captain. Let's say long and era. Yeah, we are long and era from down here. So it doesn't look strong, guys. It does not look. The price does not look strong. It looks very weak. Bearish engulfing below the moving averages. We're gonna close the trade. It's a little bit in profit, but you know, it's not much. It's not much. Yeah, closed. Okay, we're gonna close the trade. Let me see 5-minute chart up here. Okay, we closed the trade, guys. We closed the trade. It closed on 30 minutes below the bearish engulfing candle below 10-20 moving average on 30-minute chart. 1 hourly sitting on the support, but you know, it's 30 minutes is closing down. I don't care. Is that bear pennant? Not in a trade. And how much are we at now? 1286. There we go. And let's update this one up here. 18.822 38 long 1263 1286 1.82% in green. At least it's green, it's not red, so there's something there. I don't feel it like I feel everything looks weak, guys. I feel everything looks weak. A little bit unsure whether this is a long you know, a long play or not. Let's see 1 hourly time frame up here. It looks kind of weak. It looks kind of weak, but it might go a little bit more up, but a little bit unsure. A little bit unsure. Chili's pulled back. Finally, it pulled back. Maybe gonna short Chili's. Don't tell Mladen. Let's get in a short. Yeah, let's. Everything looks weak, guys. Everything looks weak. Beside Chile, everything beside Chili's looks weak. Everything beside Chili's look weak. I think Chili's might, you know, right now, you know, it's hitting these tops up here. I think it might, you know, go down over here. So everything looks weak. You know, the breakout should have happened. It did not happen. Cardano still hasn't technically fallen out of the, you know, this bearish pennant towards downside yet, but it looks weak. I mean, this move up here should propel this towards upside. It kind of failed to do that. Right now, back below the 10-20 moving average on the 30-minute chart. A little bit unsure, but it looks kind of weak. Maybe if you get another move up here right now, you know, to some kind of, you know, highs up here, we might actually short Chili's. Maybe short those IM since 0811. Ways of the Jedi. Maybe. You need to post more charts in the Telegram group, man. I like your lines. So you're gonna see that. By the way, we've been streaming for 1 hour and 30 minutes right now. I'm a little bit unsure, and we did 2 trades. I'm gonna take a break. I got some other things to do. So, but I will be back either in an hour or so, or maybe, just maybe, a little bit later tonight. But you know, this rising wedge on Chili's does look, you know, shortable. Bitcoin looks kind of weak. I think it might go up, but kind of looks kind of a little bit weak over here right now in the short term. It is above the moving averages. It's holding, you know, nicely, but a little bit unsure. Thanks, bro. I'll try a little more active with my scopes. Yeah, do that, man. We like the lines, man. We like the lines in the chat. I don't know. It looks okay, but it's hitting this 50 MA and it's failing to break that, so a little bit unsure. If I see some nice entry or something like that, maybe there will be you know, stream. But this this on the weekly time frame. Chill is hitting this 50 MA on the weekly, which is a very important level, right? And already kind of hit that. On daily, it's coming up there at the top, extended as F towards upside. Yeah, I think Chili's is hitting the top up here. It's been consolidating. This might be some kind of, you know, sell-off distribution phase. See the volume up here on this thing up here. Big volume up here, failed. Big volume up. So we got a big volume 2 times and we failed both times. So it to me does not seem that this is gonna, you know, propel any further towards upside. It's like 4% up. That was a cup pattern, just needs a handle. We're gonna see that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We might do trades later. You know, join KuCoin, guys. Join KuCoin. You don't have a lot of time, and you know the gems are only on KuCoin. I see you later, guys. Bye bye.